Well, after finishing a roundup of Saidapet, which was amongst the worst affected areas, we're here in Velacheri. You know, this is again, it continues to show us the trail of destruction, and this place continues to be waterlogged heavily. In fact, you just take a look at this lane, fully grown men walking in waist deep water, which only means that women and children hardly have a chance. Several boats have been deployed here. There is also a presence of the Fire Force Department. Any kind of a representation from the official authority is being hounded right now because people do not really know where to go, who to ask and what to ask for. Here he is, Mr. Anbumani Ramadas, a former health minister. I have with me the minister himself, who's supervising a few operations here. Sir, how do you feel about the whole place? It's a very, very challenging situation for the city of Chennai, sir.
Absolutely. It is shocking that it's been a huge damage to Chennai, and nearly more than 1 million people have been affected.
Yes, sir.
And I don't want to go into the reason behind this because there's a lot of rot behind the reason. But right now we are trying to save people.
Okay.
In fact, there's been water till the second floor. Some Velacheri area. Yesterday I was in Ashok Nagar area, and there's so much of water.
Yes, sir.
And we saved thousands of people. We were helping them out with food and water and all these things. But right till today, not much of government machinery has
Sir,
been.
that's precisely what I was coming to, sir. The primary grouse among people is there is no political representation that is coming to them, sir. If they are in trouble, so are the people, sir.
So I mean, I don't want to go into politics.
Not the time for politics, sir.
Right now.
But what about the political representation?
Absolutely. And also the government machinery has not been utilized fully because there's not lots of communication. There's no water to drink for the people. There's no food and there's no power. This is the basic necessity. Even though the National Disaster Relief Force has been here, but I don't see all around the city. And in fact, it has been 2 days,
Okay.
and those 2 days are very critical days.
Yes, sir.
And in fact, wherever we go, because I see this is a carousel.
Yes, sir.
I have bought it from my constituency, Dharmapuri, Hoganikal,
Yes, sir.
where you have all these going there. I have bought this, and I bought boatsmen to Chennai, and the people here. I have saved thousands of people by this carousel.
Sir, you know, you've held the health portfolio.
Yes.
This is like a very dangerous time for
Absolutely,
people's health.
absolutely.
What are the key points that you've noted?
I mean, in the morning to the Velacheri, that part of Velacheri, it was full of deluge, gutter, and I was there, so much water. I went into that and I see the people there. There's no water to drink for them there. And if the persists, then we're going to have a huge outbreak. I already some areas they were like symptoms were there, but I hope it is not cholera.
Sir, whether we talk about it or not, the government's response has been slow and people are complaining about it. That will remain a fact, sir.
No,
Do you want to appeal to the government, sir?
I don't want to say that the response was slow. There's no response. I mean, completely there was no response in the government. Nobody is out there in the field. And people like us, and I would like to compliment the volunteers, the general public who have done huge service at this point of time. And their service, without their help, I don't think the people would have again come back to normalcy. Would have
Okay.
that part of and also social media has been very active. We're trying to help so we are playing our bits but then the government machinery absolutely it has not been.